Hey, hi there, it's John Drew here. I just had to shoot this quick video to welcome you to the SkintAssStrategy. I'm well happy that you've taken the time to take a look at this super simple strategy, the SkintAssStrategy, how to build multiple income streams with no money. This is a self-funding, perpetual Bitcoin, cash and traffic strategy that works. So what does all that mean? Basically, you just follow this super simple strategy. I will show you step by step how you can start making Bitcoin and cash with no money. Yep, put your credit cards and Bitcoin wallets away. No, absolutely no out-of-pocket payments, full stop. Yes, you really can make Bitcoin and cash with no money. I will show you how to leverage the Bitcoin and cash that you make to build a self-funding, perpetual Bitcoin, cash and traffic business that creates multiple income streams that just grow and grow and grow almost on autopilot. Just follow the super simple steps. I'll be here to help you all along the way, don't worry. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hook up with me on Facebook. If you seriously want to make more money, if you truly want to make real changes in your life, then you must take action. One step at a time, one foot in front of the other, and keep on taking action till you achieve your personal targets. We can do this. You can do this. This works. Just take action now.